Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Box Automation Lab. This is Shoreful. Today we're going to learn how to handle JavaScript Alert uh, in Selenium. Means when you click any link or any button and it's popped up, it's a window or box. That's a JavaScript Alert. Selenium only able to find a locator for an element in HTML web page. So the driver it's all limited to read the HTML code behind the scene. But if it's a JavaScript alert, that time Selenium directly can't locate that box and read this. So there was a special method to do this. So that's the method is called swithTo and alert method. That's this is the two method uh, are available in our WebDriver interface. So we can use this two method to say our WebDriver, hey driver, switch from HTML web page to the pop-up box or JavaScript box, and then it will switch up there, and then you can accept this. You can dismiss or cancel this pop-up window. Here is the thing. This is the example. So we can say driver.switch to alert. This is the alert method, and then accept will click on yes or OK in the pop-up box. Similarly, alert method, and then dismiss this method will click on cancel or no option in pop-up box. Let's see an example. Okay, so this is one of the side. It's for the JavaScript alert practice. So if you go this side, and then you can see there is a demonstration, there is a box and also send button. So if you click on the send button, you'll see there is a pop-up window comes up, right? This is a pop-up window comes up. So this is a JavaScript alert. So if we want to do anything in this box, like click on OK, so at that time we have to tell the driver to switch from our regular HTML page to this pop-up window. So that time we have to use alert, switch to alert, and then accept the method to click on OK up there. Or if you want to print anything up there. So what are you gonna do today? Our exercise would be launching this site, and then type over here world, and then click on send, and then print this the message from here, and then click on OK. So here is the one thing. So first we have to launch here, and then we have to let's inspect this box. Okay, let's move to the down so we can see, spy this box again. So here you can see this is the HTML code reflect that box, and you can see this is a child. This input tag is a child of form. So this is the form tag. So form is the parent, and the input one. This is the one input, and there's another input. So this is the two input is the child. So we're going to, so first for the box we will traverse from here, from to here. So it means we'll create an XPath using this name attribute, then we'll use the tag slash, then it's a tag name of the child, and definitely we have to mention that the tag name input is gonna be the child 1, because it has a two child with the same name. So let's see, and here is the one thing you can see, it has already value hello. So if we type here world, so it should be hello world. So let's see, let's inspect this guy. You can use copy XPath, and then let's put it here. Here you go. You can see this is the XPath for this. So here it's started. This is the XPath for the child. Okay, name ID equals to content. So let's use this one, and then let's use this. Let's use this guy. Okay, let's. Okay, so here is a regular thing. I created a class. It's called Java Alert, and then this is the setup for my WebDriver, and this is the prerequisite is the WebDriver. It's a relationship between the WebDriver interface and the Chrome driver class. And I put some now to maximize the window. It's a maximize method. So this is the URL to launch the site. So first we'll spy that box. So we'll say driver dot find element by dot xpath and let's put the xpath there. So remove extra backslash and make sure you put a single quotation from 1, and this is the input one for the first chat, right? And then here let's click on using send case type world. Okay, and then next what are we going to do? We'll spy the button, send key button. We'll spy the send key, this button, and then we'll click up there. So this is the one. Okay, let's get the we can easily make create our own XPath. So it started from here, so it's gonna be form name equals to form1, name equals to form1, and then the input the second chat we can do by our own. So this will be just driver dot find element by dot xpath. You can see it would be double quotation, and then it would be form and then at the red, then the attribute was name equals to name equals to what is the value? The value was for our form1. This is the value, and then we'll say / the tag name of the child was input, and it was a number 2, right? And then we'll say click method. Okay, and then we'll switch our driver from HTML page to the pop-up window. So we'll say okay, so this is the switch driver from HTML page to alert box. So we'll say driver dot switch to dot alert method, and then after we switch we'll get the text from the box. Okay, this is called get text method. We'll use the get text method. Okay, and then let's print the text. So after we get the text, let's print it. So to print it, let's put it in system.out.println system.out.println. So, okay, sorry. print ln. So it will print the text whatever we'll get from the pop-up box, and after that we'll click on the OK button. So we'll say driver dot switch2 dot alert dot accept. This is the accept method. We'll click on OK. Okay, so this is the accept method. Make sure just to remember, accept method, we'll click on OK or yes. Accept method, we'll click on OK or yes in alert box. Okay, and after that we can close driver dot close the window. Okay, looks good. Okay, save it. Okay, let's run it. Java application. Okay, looks launched. Oh, it's good. Here we go. It was so quick. You can see it's print hello world because hello was already typed inside the box, you know, in HTML. Behind the HTML you can see it, and the world that we typed inside the box, so it's print there, and then it's click on OK. So it was a little bit quick, but it done the job. Okay, it did the job. So that's it. Okay, so just the lesson here, if we have a alert box or JavaScript box, so we have to use first we have to switch our driver from HTML to alert box or pop-up box. So that's why we'll use switch to alert, and then to accept or cancel we have to use accept method, and also we can use the get text method just to get the text from the box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you on the next practice. Thank you so much. Bye bye.